Today, let's explain how to add devices from POE switch into our NVR recorder. Now we can check this system configuration. This is our POE NVR. We have connected two cameras through POE directly, and this cable connected to our router. And this is an extra POE switch, and this is the uplink port also connected to our router. So this is just this two cable is make sure the NVR recorder and the POE switch to connect cameras in the same network. So we can see we have one camera connected by the POE switch. And so how we add these cameras into our NVR recorder? So let's do it. First we check. We must check in the network of the NVR recorder. We have to enable the DHCP. This is allowed NVR recorder and this POE switch in the same network. Okay, let's go. We go to the camera page. For example, we want to add this camera into channel 3. So over here, in default, all the camera add mode is by plug and play. So now for this channel, we have to select camera configure here. We have to select it and change it into IP address mode. In default, it's plug and play for POE, for NVR's POE port. Now we change it into IP address mode. We can find the IP address. This IP address is the camera that connected to the POE switch. So we just click this camera and we add OK. Now wait for a few seconds, the camera will be added into it. We can see the IP address already changed. OK, this camera is get online. We can see that this is the camera. It is just this camera. Yeah, we have this camera. On the other hand, we also have a problem. If the camera already connected to our NVR switch and the POE NVR by plug and play, and after a few days or moments we want to connect the camera through POE switch, how we can do with that? So first we have to pull out the camera from the NVR and then plug into the POE switch. And then we have to follow the first step, but there will be one more settings because the camera connected to the POE switch. The IP address, as we know, the IP address is like this. This is the internal IP address assigned by NVR. So how we change the camera IP address into the same IP range with our NVR recorders? So we need the camera tool to factory reset the camera first. Let me do it. Now we need a tool to install our computer. The computer also must be connected to the same network with the NVR recorder and the POE switch. So we can download this tool from our technician send you. You can download the tool first, install, and now we can search. We can search this device. We can find the IP address within default with the POE NVR. So we have to change this IP. How we change this IP address into the IP range of our computer, our NVR, and our POE switch? So we click it. This is the checkbox. We set it, and we click over here, battery reset, and then yes. So wait for a few seconds. This IP address will change. Yeah, now we can find that this camera already changed back to the IP address, same as our local network. And then we can go to the POE NVR and add this IP camera address. Now we can see this camera. This is camera connected to POE switch, and POE switch connected to the router. NVR recorder connected to the router. And now we're back here. Awesome. First we check the NVS network. Okay, DHCP enabled. So we go to camera. And first we click refresh over here. Now just wait. Okay. Then we check any channel, for example the third channel. Yeah, we can find over here. This IP address is the camera. We changing IP address mode. Protocol keep it in on wave, and I click OK. Now we wait. Okay, the camera is coming, so we go to check. Okay, the camera is connected. Exactly.